Let's talk quality serger thread for the BERNINA L850 overlock machine. Now, one thing you're going to notice is this is a high performance serger. It's going to stitch up to 1,500 stitches per minute, plus it runs so smooth. This is the Swiss engineering that you probably have fallen in love with over the years. It is true. You do need to feed this serger good quality thread. So in the original box, there is a box of Mettler Sara core thread. Mine came in gray. And today I'm actually going to be threading up the serger with the larger version of this particular spool. So these actually have about 2,700 yards, which is about 2,500 meters. So they're going to last a long time. You're also going to notice I'm going to be threading up in 4 different colors. So as I change different stitch settings, you can see that the green went that way and the yellow went that way, or whatever I'm changing. And it's not a bad idea to start off your serger journey with different color-coded threads. So I'll put the yellow, the green, blue, and red in the serger, and so I can see if something's not right, which one is the one I should be looking at. So just a little tip about thread. But just like a car, a high-performance car, there is higher quality gasoline you put into that vehicle. It's the same thing for a serger. If you're going to put in crappy thread or thread that's 30 years old or thread that your grandma gave you, you're going to get those kind of results. This machine deserves the best. Don't cheat yourself out on thread. I'm going to put links below this YouTube video where you can find this thread. And what threads are you really going to be needing? You're going to need some gray, you need some darks, and you need some whites. Those will get you started for a majority of your settings. Plus, whatever's on the outside needle is what you're going to see in the seam when it opens. So if you're sewing on a hot pink item, you can go ahead and buy a small spool of thread, and that hot pink can sit right here, and you could have gray or neutral colors in the rest. So there's so many things that you can do to not have to buy 4 spools of everything. Now I did say 4 darks, so sometimes I'll do navy, sometimes I'll do chocolate brown, sometimes I'll just do black. You pick what darks you like, and you definitely need 4 whites because white behind white is the right combination. So again, you can get so much out of what you have that came with it, with the gray spools. Definitely follow along with the different colors if that is helpful for you. But whatever you do, definitely make sure you're using a high quality serger thread in the BERNINA L850 serger.